Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the dollar CAD, it ended up making another pretty decent little move up yesterday. I guess the clue was that it never did break structure. When you don't see a break of structure to the downside, there's always a chance that any counter trend move you see is nothing more than a pullback within the uptrend. Now, I could definitely look at this and say, oh, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and that maybe it will go down, maybe it will break structure, ending this pullback. Definitely looks like that is possible, but the only thing that's going to prove that is the break of structure to the downside. Anything we see down could just be a pullback to the last wave up, and it could just keep going up. No matter what our Elliott wave analysis is, we have to realize that until the market proves our analysis, the trend could definitely continue. Now, today is supposed to be non-farm payroll news, but because of the U.S. government shutdown, I think that they are not doing it today. So there could be a little bit of uncertainty in the market about what's going to happen. Very, very sideways so far. Even on the 1 hour time frame, there's no break of structure down, so I definitely would be bullish. I definitely would still be recommending longs in an uptrend, at least until we get some breaks of structure to the downside, which we definitely do not have. I mean, if it goes up, makes like a double top, then goes down, breaks structure, then okay, then we can start to become bearish. But we definitely don't see that yet. And as of right now, on the 1 hour time frame, our main structure is here. On the 4 hour time frame, our main structure is way down here. So that's the structure right here that would actually turn me bearish on a more long-term basis. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.